Really close to the beach. It's over there, but that noise, this is our lullaby, like day and night. Do you hear that? It's so crazy. It's just constant. Oh my God. It's been so therapeutic. Mm. Oh my goodness. Don't get caught by surprise by the wave, though. Make sure you're above the water line, okay? I saw dolphins right over there, where all those birds are, and surfers, and swimmers, and adventurers, and fishermen, and rock stackers, and human gymnasium people, and singers, and birds, and yeah, it's been really nice. I don't want to leave, but it's okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love the sound of the ocean. Watch out!